Service by jersey number 23, Nolela. Received by 18, Gutierrez, Cruz Sanchez. Check the one. Patay sunod. Service by jersey number 10, Sanchez. Received by 14, Nolela, Cruz Service by jersey number 3, Aloha. Received by Sancho. From Pierre, heading to the field. Grabe ba? Isa na naman ang backward dito. Service by jersey number 16, Chanson. Received by Arwin, 23. And the Macias Neves. Received by Sanchez. For Pierre. Sanchez yung corner. Isang dito. Inside para Albea. Inside para Albea. Tie at 7. Shooter. Service by jersey number 12, Westeros. Sancho. Tapiman. James Fraser. Nakapin dito ang number 187. Service by jersey number 12. Received by Sancho. Popular weapon na ito si Chea. Pero hindi. Set number 23, hinalo ni Arwin. Outside. And 8. Tie at 8. Pero service by jersey number 11, Raposa. And then, nakakabilang. Chance to the ball. Service by jersey number 6, over. And 9. Service by jersey number 18. Received by Alao. Nolela, ito na si Bea. All outside. James Faber. Isa na ulit ang unang mag-back 111 preso. Service by jersey number 18. Received by Bea. Nolela. Chance ball. Pakasarap. Dalawa na buwan pa naman. Magbawa 11 pressure. Noloke, ito na si Arwin. Bea, good ball. Nakabuha ni Pampiogo. Nakabuha. Igor, good. Arwin. Bea, drop ball. Nakabuha ni Pampiogo. To Sancho. Outside. Service by jersey number 2, Bea. Received by Raposa. Sanchez. 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 Bandalan tayo. Bandalan po. Substitution. Mag-ingat po tayo. Jersey number 6 out. Jersey number 10 in.
Kaya pag ganun mo na ako
Balik sa dalawa. Service by jersey number 7, Papioko. Receive by Alora. Malora, binigay sa itna. Receive by Raposa. Chance ball. Ibaba sa barangay 187. Malora. Ito kasi Aaron susunod. Hindi bayad si Johnson. 3-point win.
Layo pa yan! Pasok ba si Bea? Pasok din namin si Stevie.
Service by jersey number 7, Papioko. Received by Domingo. Jersey number 3, Tumaroy. Received by Raposa. Sanchez. Chance ball dito para sa barangay 187. Malora. Ito na sa Lord. Over dito. Apat na po ang kalamangan ng Baclan 11. Hesto. Medyo nagulog na ang kalamangan dito ng barangay 184. Papioko. Jersey number 23. Puerto de Talibán. Umis sa katon. Service by jersey number 14. Service by jersey number 14, Arwich. Received by 18, Woodward. Chance ball para sa 187. Napasobra, binarap ni Gonole. Jersey number 23, Chris Neves. Outside. Apat ang kalamangan ng Baclan 11 threshold. Official score, 15-11. Service by jersey number 6, Sancho. Received by Diego. Dolora. Ito na si Neves. Dahil sa mga kalamangan ng Baclan 11 threshold. Time out. Barangay 187. 12 figures.
Pero masarap pa din dito.
Alvida, lagot ka. Ino.
Service by jersey number 6, Sancho. Received by Kuya. Malona. Ito na si Esteve Tulot. Nakuha ng 18. Ay, ito si Sudon. Biggest lead naman. Biggest lead at the game. 6-1 lead para sa Baclan 11 threshold. Biggest lead. Service by jersey number 6, Sancho.
One ball.
23, Blackburn. Inside by jersey number 23. Balik sa iba.
Ay, dadaan lang.
Service by jersey number 23, Malor. Received by 18, Papioko. Kaya Raposa. Check balik sa anim ang kalamangan.
O, sabi niya yung referee.
Service by jersey number 10.
Ay, challenge to mamaya ah.
Jersey number 23, Neves. Received by Sanchez. For Piero. Sanchez Piero. Esteves.
Ayun! Isa-isa lang! Bebo na be!
18-13 ang ating score. Service by jersey number 16, Johnson. Received by Esteves, Nolor. Ito si Esteves na naman, pero hindi. Raposa, good goal. 19-14.
Limon! Bea, Arvin, please, putang sila yung dalawa.
Service by jersey number 12, Esteves. Received by Johnson, from Piero, to the Piero. Now, one jersey number 22, Bea, Bravo, from the striker. Trap was the top, jersey number 23. Arvin, received by Anthony. Pero ito si Ching Ching. Wait lang.
Pogi pa din siya. Pwede siya ito daw.
Basang-basa pati yung
Ay, pati yan ah.
pala mukha mo.
Ininuwa ko yung likod sa sinili. Bea, ano Arvin? Di ka din Arvin!
Raposa. Outside. By Raposa. Ganda sa limit.
Ulang service.
20-15.
Ulamin nyo kasi.
Service by jersey number 10, Domingo. To Sanchez. Set right to Yolanda. Ito na si Yolanda. Apat na service by jersey number 10, Domingo. Received by Sanchez. Nakaguluri. Sanchez, Barcelona, 7 goal leader. Ito na si Bea. Received by Johnson. Si Ryan. Set by Bea. Ito si Marvin.
Eh, si Arvin! Ay, ikaw si Arvin!
Pito Liga. Kaya pa ba? Dahil sa Antali. Kaya ba kaya? Kaya ba ulit? Iniiwan sila dito.
Bea, black! Tulog kay Bea!
Okay pa daw. Service by jersey number 10, Domingo. Now play Sanchez. Step Piero. Ito si Tony. Outside. Apat na lang po. Apat na ulit. Ito ang 17. Service by jersey number 18. Received by Bea, Nolora, to Arvin. Sanchez ulit. Received by Esteves. Nolora ulit. Kay Bea Vidal. Ingat Bea Nolora. Inside by Sanchez. Official score 22-17 with 5-point lead. Service by jersey number 18. Received by Gea. Set by Arvin. Gea. Susunod sa Benson. Contiero. Si Sancho. Contiero. Putan. Sancho ulit. Wala again. Arvin. To Gea. Received by Arvin. Contiero. Sancho naman. Napagod ka. Ano?
Yan. Kaya yung to 50,000 kaya. Ang serving.
22-18 in favor of Backward 11 pesos. Service by jersey number 4, Gea. Rupert! Sansan! Jersey number 23, Alon! Jersey number 3, Alon! Lucas Martinez of Backward 11 pesos with 5-point lead. Service by jersey number 7, Contiero service error. Next game, Tortaville versus Antechona. Service by jersey number 14, Contiero. Jersey number 10, set by Nolora, Matilan. Nakakuha ni Contiero. Shamson, bigay sa bulo. Jersey number 16. Inside by Espedes. Neymar, Backward 11 pesos. 3-point lead.
Pagod na kasi si Beyi. Bakla ka lang pa.
Jersey number 14, Ace. Assist by Sancho. Contiero. Ito na si Champion. Match point. Nasa Backward 11 pesos. 20. Isa na lang mamamapasok na sila sa finals. Received by Gea. Espedes! Inside! Natigilin. Do or die. Sino uuwing lumaan? Win or go home. 23 to Sancho. Sanchez. Sanchez. Tabila!